next guest, the undisputed donut king of the Midwest, and he's here tonight to show us why. Please welcome, from Kansas City, Missouri, 82-year-old Ray LaMar. Ray, come on out here. Good to see you, pal. All right. Now, before we start cooking, how long have you been making donuts?
65 years.
65 years? So you started when you were, what, 17?
17.
So how'd you get into the whole donut thing?
Well, to keep from starving to death, that's the only job I could get was in a donut shop.
Really?
That's how I got started.
So that's when you first started, when you were 17 years old.
Right.
So you still have the first job you ever had?
Right.
Well, that's pretty good. All right. And you're a married man?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And you work a lot, don't you? Would you do 100 hours a week, did I read? 104
Well,
hours?
about 84 now.
But 84 hours just making donuts?
Yeah, well, running the place.
Running the place. So how many donuts would you make in a day in one of your stores?
About 11,000.
11,000 donuts a day?
Yes.
Now, who's the biggest? Is it cops? The cops eat a lot of donuts?
Well,
you always hear that rumor. Here's the man to dispel it. Is that true?
it's true.
Yes, so cops. And what kind of donuts do cops like best, you know?
Oh, they like the glazed donuts the best.
Okay. How about day-old donuts? See, I always like day-old donuts when the glaze gets a little crinkly on there.
Yeah,
you
we
know?
don't sell them.
Oh.
We give them away to charitable organizations.
Oh, that's
you
right.
know, nursing homes.
There you go. Oh, that's good. Nursing home. Well, show us how to make donuts. What do I have to do? I want to learn to make donuts. I'm the new guy in your store. I'm the new young Ray LaMar. I'm 17. What do I got to do?
Well, first of all, this is the dry ingredients. This is the flour and the spices and all the sort of things that are dry. And this is the yeast.
Yeast. Put that in there?
You put that in there like that.
What do I do? What do you want me to do? Mix it up?
Yeah. You
Put a little water in there?
Put the water in there, and then you mix this up.
Okay, mix this up like this. All right, here we go. Now, do donuts have any nutritional value of any kind?
Oh, yeah. They're very nutritious.
So it's a health food, really?
Well, right.
How many would you eat a day in the course of making donuts?
Oh, for years I ate a dozen a day.
A dozen a day?
Yeah. But they told me that was bad for me, so
really?
I cut down. I mean,
who would say such a thing?
My doctor.
Now, what do I do now? Okay, I'm doing this. Now what?
Now take your hands and knead that into
Knead that dough. There you
right,
go. That dough.
Right. Now you're getting the idea.
Okay, there we go here. So whatever's on my hands is really in the donut, is what you're saying.
That's right. You're getting into it.
Okay, here we go. Now what? Take the donut. Now I roll out.
You got to get that into a dough there.
Into a dough. Okay, this is going to be
into a bowl.
This is a huge donut.
Right.
Okay, now what?
Now just put her down there.
Put it down there.
And we'll get one
so
down.
this is what the finished product should look like.
This is what
okay,
if you do that for about a half an hour.
Okay, half an hour. Now
what you get.
Okay, now what do I do? These look like breast implants. Now I see why you're in the office all day making donuts.
Right.
All right, now I'm gonna. Okay, what do you do? Oh, that's your so that's your basic donut there. Okay. Wow. Now, how do you make the twists and the crawlers?
Oh, the twist and the crawlers. Well, the twist you make different.
Okay. So what do we do? Do we put this in the oil?
Well, not yet.
Not
we
yet.
got some down here that are proofed.
Okay.
They've raised, you know.
Okay, they've raised.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Oh,
Okay. Now what are you doing now? Oh, you're making a crawler.
Gonna make a twist.
A twist. What's the difference between a crawler and a twist?
A cinnamon twist.
Cinnamon twist. All right.
See, they put cinnamon on here.
Very exacting with the ingredients.
Oh, yeah. Just get plenty on there. That's the main thing.
All right, there we go. Okay, there we go. That looks like a lot. Now, so you put that on before you put it in the oil?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You put it on like this.
Okay. How do you know when the oil's hot enough?
Well, in the old days, they used to spit in the kettle. And if
Spit in the kettle.
If it sizzled, well, that was enough. Now,
I'm getting hungry already.
We put a thermometer in.
Oh, now you put a thermometer. All right, let's fry something here. Can we pop these in? Can we put something in? What do we do to fry something? Okay.
We got some down here.
Oh, put those in here. All right. These here?
They have raised.
Okay. Now what do I do? Just drop them in here?
Yeah, be careful, though. It's kind of hot.
Okay, I'll put one of these in. Oh, boy, look at that, huh? I can just smell a heart attack a-coming.
Oh, it'll cure a heart attack.
Now, how long do you cook them for? It'll cure a heart attack?
Oh, it takes about a minute and a half.
You'll never get one again. Is that what you're saying?
It takes about a minute and a half.
A minute and a half. You want to soak up all the oil.
Okay. Oh, the trick is not to soak up the oil.
Now, how do you fill it with jelly? That's something I want to know.
Well, let's see. This is a Bismarck.
A Bismarck?
This is a donut that doesn't have a hole in it.
Okay.
And so you bring it over here.
You bring it over here.
And
oh, this is like to do a Jiffy Lube.
And
you just stick the donut in there, and then you give it a couple of shots. Oh, I see. And you just pump it right inside there.
Until you feel that it's full. See?
Oh, I see. There you go. All right, Kev, jelly?
What happened to the glazed dough?
Right there. All right, Ray, thank you very, very much. That's terrific. Thank you, Ray LaMar.